Welcome to the Futronic test box series. In this video, we will unbox the whole Futronic test box with all the basic accessories. At first, we will take a look at the bag of standard accessories. Taken out of the bag, we will find the power adapter 100 to 240 volts AC, 13.2 VDC cable for external DC power. We have a USB cable for connection to PC. Cigar lighter plug. Coax cable, 25 centimeters. 2 of coax cable, 150 centimeters. Coax cable, 500 centimeters. AIS signal combiner, dummy load. Audio reference, AF generator. Telescopic antenna for VHS, AIS. Wire antenna for MF, HF Navtex. 2 of UHF plug to BNC socket adapter. UHF socket to BNC socket adapter. BNC socket to BNC socket adapter. A user manual in English. And the calibration certificate. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Danphone for more information concerning the Futronic test box and more.